Hello students, in this video we will discuss about theorem fifth. The angle subtended by an arc on the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. This theorem is very important. There are three situations. In the first situation, suppose this is a circle, and if we take any 2 points on this circle AB, then according to this concept, angle subtended by these points on the center of circle is twice by it any point on the remaining part of the circle. That means if AB subtend any angle on the any part of the circle, that means suppose C point on the circle and join A to C and B to C, then this angle and this angle, two angles subtended by AB arc, first is on the center of circle and second is on the circumference of circle, then this angle will be twice of this angle. That means here given that A and B are any 2 points on circle, then to prove angle AOB equal to twice of angle ACB, that means center angle will be twice of the circumference angle. This is the first situation. Second situation have done. Suppose this is a circle and these 2 points taken as here A and B, and this is the center O. Then angle subtended by these two points will be this. That means 180 degree, and another angle on the circumference of the circle will be this. That means angle AOB, that means this angle will be twice of angle ACB. This is the second situation. And in the third situation, this will be, suppose point A is here and point B is here, and this is the center, then center angle will be this, that means reflex angle, and another angle will be like this, that means this angle C. So this angle will be equal to twice of this angle. Now construction. Join C to O. Join C to O and produce to M. In each situation, join C to O and produce to M. Produce to M. Let here this angle is 1. Only this angle is 1. This angle is 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. This is the 5 and this is the 6. Only this angle is 5 and this angle is 6. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5 and this is the 6. Only this angle is 6 and only this angle is 5. Now, in triangle AOC and BOC, in every situation, means in all three cases, you can see that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OC. OA equal to OC and OB equal to OC. OA equal to OC and OB equal to OC, because this is the radii of semicircles. In triangle AOC and triangle BOC, OA equal to OC and OB equal to OC, region radii. Therefore, as you know that opposite angle of equal sides are equal. That means opposite angle of OA, opposite angle of OA, that means angle 1 equal to opposite angle of OC, angle 3. And similarly, OB equal to OC means angle 2 equal to angle 4. Now, in triangle AOC, angle 5 is the exterior angle of triangle AOC. Similarly, angle 6 is the exterior angle of triangle BOC. Since angle 5 and angle 6 are an exterior angles of triangle AOC and triangle BOC. Therefore, we can write the property of exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles of that triangle. That means angle 5 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3 and angle 6 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 4. Since angle 3 equal to angle 1 and angle 4 equal to angle 2, therefore angle 1 plus angle 3 replaced by angle 1 and angle 6 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 replaced by angle 2. This will be angle 1 plus angle 1, 2 angle 1 and angle 6 equal to 2 angle 2. That means we have find angle 5 equal to 2 angle 1 and angle 6 equal to 2 angle 2. If we adding, suppose this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2, 1 plus 2, that means adding left into the left, that means angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 2 angle 1 plus 2 angle 2. Adding left into the left and right into the right. Therefore, if you see in the figure, angle 5 plus angle 6, angle 5 plus angle 6, that means AOC. Here also 5 plus 6 equal to angle AOB. 5 plus 6 equal to angle AOB. Here 5 plus 6 equal to angle AOB. Here 5 plus 6 equal to reflex angle AOB. That means angle AOB equal to, taking 2 as a common, therefore this will be angle 1 plus angle 2. 2 into angle 1 plus angle 2 in each situation. 1 plus 2 equal to ACB. 1 plus 2 equal to angle ACB. 1 plus 2 equal to angle ACB. That means 2 into angle ACB. Angle AOB equal to 2 angle ACB. That means we can say that the angle subtended by an arc on the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. That means angle of center is twice the angle of circumference. Thus, this theorem has proved. Now in the next video, we will take next theorem.